हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम सिद्धार्थ राठौड़ एंड वेलकम टू एक्शन एकेडमी। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं रीडिंग प्लस लिसनिंग की एक्सरसाइज। सबसे पहले मैं आपको पढ़कर बताऊंगा जिसको आपको ध्यान से सुनना है, जिससे आपकी लिसनिंग की प्रैक्टिस होगी। उसके बाद एक बार फिर से ये पैराग्राफ चलेगा जिसमें आपको रीडिंग करना है और उसकी प्रैक्टिस करना है। सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट डिले चलिए इस वीडियो को फटाफट स्टार्ट करते हैं। सक्सेस इज नॉट अबाउट लक, it is about consistency. The small things you do every day matter more than the big things you do once in a while. If you want to achieve something great, you must be consistent in your efforts. Many people start with excitement, but they quit when they don't see quick results. But the truth is, success takes time. Every successful person you admire has one thing in common: they never gave up. They showed up every single day, even when they didn't feel like it. Think about a river. A river is not powerful because it flows fast. It is powerful because it never stops flowing. Even the strongest rocks get shaped by the constant flow of water. In the same way, your small daily efforts will shape your future. The secret to success is simple. Take one small step every day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than yesterday. If you study for just 30 minutes every day, in 1 year, you will be better than 90% of people. If you practice speaking English for just 10 minutes every day. Most people fail not because they lack talent, but because they lack consistency. They start again and then quit. But winners keep going no matter what. They don't wait for motivation. They create habits. So ask yourself today, what is one small thing I can do every day to improve my life? Maybe it's reading a book for 10 minutes. Maybe it's practicing gratitude. Maybe it's waking up early. Whatever it is, do it daily. Small efforts will lead to big results over time. Success is not about doing big things once. It's about doing small things consistently. So believe in yourself, stay disciplined, and never stop moving forward, because in the end, consistency is the key to success. Friends, अब आपकी बारी है रीडिंग करने की। So just start.